Good morning, dear students. Today's topic of discussion is government schemes and agencies for small scale industries. As small scale industries are contributing a lot in the socio-economic development of the country. That's why government is also supporting small scale industries, and government has launched so many schemes and agencies for the growth and development of small scale industries. So today I am going to discuss the same topic with you all. Government schemes and agencies for small scale industries. So first of all, I will discuss different schemes started by the government for development of small scale industries. So students, first scheme is regarding land. In some of the states, government has provided land at concessional rate to the small scale entrepreneurs, and in some state government has given permission to use the plot of land, and in some of the states land is provided to the entrepreneurs and they are given permission to make payment in the installments, and in some state government is not charging any rent for the plot of land in the initial year, in the starting years. In this way, by providing plot of land, government is helping small scale industries. Second is regarding power. Power is also supplied by the government at concessional rate to the small scale industries. Some of the states are providing power, you can say electricity, at 50% concession, so that small scale industries can produce their product easily and can supply in the market. Third scheme is regarding the water. No water tax is charged by the government from the small scale industries in the initial year in some of the states, and in some of the states government has given concession in payment of water tax. Next is raw material. Scarce raw material like cement, iron, steel, such type of raw material is made available to the small scale industries on priority basis, so that they can start their business in backward and rural areas. Next is regarding the finance. Finance is also made available to the small scale industries at concessional rate of interest. Means at low rate of interest finance is given to the small scale industries. As well as subsidy is also provided by the government for purchasing capital assets. Capital assets means like land, building, machinery, etc. Then tax holiday. Some of the states has given tax holiday to the small scale industries. Means small scale industries are not required to pay any income tax in the initial years, in the starting years. Next is institutional estates. Some of the states have opened industrial areas for the small scale industries, where small scale entrepreneurs are invited, encouraged to come and start their business. So in this way, by providing land, power, water, raw material and finance at the concessional rate, government is helping small scale industries. Tax benefit is provided, as well as institutional estates in the form of industrial areas are also opened by the government. In this way, by providing all the schemes, government is helping them. Then with the schemes, government has opened different agencies also for small scale industries benefit. This is called as institutional support. So the first institutional support provided by the government is NSIC, National Small Industries Corporation. This corporation was established in 1955 to promote the growth of small scale industries. NSIC is performing following functions for the growth and development of small scale industries. First is NSIC is supplying indigenous and imported machines, raw material at higher purchase basis. NSIC is providing indigenous machines, means the machines made in India, as well as imported machine to the small scale industries according to their requirements, as well as raw material is also supplied by this institution. at higher purchase basis. It means industries can make payment in installments. Next is to export the products of small scale industries. NSIC is helping small scale industries in exporting their products and develop export worthiness. NSIC is also helping in developing capability to export the goods to other countries. It helps in improving the quality of product so that they can participate in the competition at international level. They can export their products. Next is to provide advisory services. If any of the small scale industry need any type of advice, like where they should invest money, in which type of business they should invest their money, or which type of business they should start, any type of advice required by small scale entrepreneurs, that is also provided by NSIC. To provide technological assistance, if any help regarding machines is needed in small scale enterprises, like they need indigenous machines or imported machine, that is also provided by NSIC. To develop software technology parks and technology transfer centers. Different software technology parks and technology transfer centers are opened by the NSIC, where different type of technology is available. So in this way, NSIC is performing the different functions for the development of small scale industries. After that, NSIC has also launched one scheme, that is Performance and Credit Rating Scheme. This is the scheme implemented by NSIC. This scheme has two objectives. First is sensitizing the small industries about the need of credit rating. By launching this scheme of performance and credit rating, NSIC want to make aware small industrialists about the need of credit rating. It is a scheme under which a rate is given to the industry about its credit worthiness. Means according to the rate, it will be clear how fastly this business organization is returning money to the creditors. So every company should get a credit rating. This rate defines that how fastly the organization is returning the money of creditors. So students, for getting a credit rate, industries have to contact to credit rating agencies. The most famous credit rating agency is CRISIL, Credit Rating Services of India Limited. So every business organization has to contact to any of the credit rating agency. These agencies check the track record of the organization, how fastly they are returning the money of creditors. On that very basis, a rate is provided to every industry. So NSIC, by implementing this scheme, want to aware small scale entrepreneurs that they should get a credit rate for their agency, because if they will have a credit rate, they will be able to get finance easily from different financial institutions. Second is encouraging small business units to maintain good financial track record, as well as it also encouraging small business units that they should maintain a good financial track record. It will be possible only when they are properly utilizing the money obtained and they will return the money of creditors on time. Then in future also they will be able to get money easily from the financial institutions. So these are the two main objectives of performance and credit rating scheme implemented by NSIC. So students, today I taught you about the government schemes as well as NSIC agency started by the government, as well as the scheme launched by NSIC, that is Performance and Credit Rating Scheme. Thank you students.